Hello everyone, back with another video where I am going to discuss, as already you have seen the thumbnail, so you know better that what I am going to discuss in this particular video. So as you know that the thumbnail is that how to make better sentences, or the title is that how to make better sentences, right? So based on that particular question that every English learner is having, that is how to frame better sentences so that we can sound like a fluent speaker. And that is why I thought that the challenges that I faced and the way that I have overcame from that particular problem of facing the challenges like how to make better sentences, I will tell you each and everything based on my experience. So one disclaimer, this is this video is something that is helpful for every English learners. On the same side, I am sharing all of my experience, so it might be some people will disagree with this fact, but it is based on my experience. I got immense benefit out of it, so I'm going to share all of these things with you so that you can frame better sentences and you can understand the reality of making better sentences. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, I want to talk about my story. When I started my English speaking journey, my sentence structure was very poor. I couldn't speak any single particular sentence without with having a lot of mistakes. So I couldn't speak a better sentence that point in time. I used to speak broken English, and one day when I was talking with a person on a phone call, so that person opposite side was very fluent, but he used to judge me. So what he used to do that he used to say me that, you know, Raj, you are making a lot of grammatical mistakes. So I started speaking on topic, but he said that you are making grammatical mistakes, so you have to improve your grammar, so you have to improve that, only then you can speak English, or right now is there you do not have any improvement, so you're making a lot of mistakes. So I got disappointed by that. I thought that why it is happening with me, why this is something, because many people are speaking quite fluently within a short span of time, so why I'm not able to do that. So again, I on the basis of that point, so I started reading grammar book again. I started reading all of these things that are written in the grammar, so that I thought that I'll be able to get the perfect insight about grammar and I'll be perfect in English speaking. But again, after 14 or 15 days later, again I started speaking with lot of grammatical knowledge, because already I had, so based on that I just brush up all of these things, and again I started speaking, but I saw no result, absolutely no result in terms of framing better sentences. So the first mistake that I made is that I used to think that theoretical approach is the same and the perfect one for the practical one, because English speaking is the practical one. You have to think practically, which is applicable. You know very well that in terms of English structure, for English speaking, for English sentence, we need grammar, right? But reality is that when you are in that environment, you do not need to learn any grammar. Already you have prior knowledge about basic grammar in your school, that's it. You don't need to learn grammar again, because one thing that is clear, that when you are in the environment, you just make better sentences, right? Second thing I want to highlight here is that is most important for me, at least at that point in time also, that is that one thing that I did specially, that one thing, first of all, let's assume that one building is made by the particular person, right? When anyone is constructing any particular flat, do you think that within one day or within 1 week or 1 month that building is entirely constructed with each and everything, from window, from color to the nice building? No, right? It takes years. Then only you see a nice flat that is there in front of you. So the base is that engineers are making formulas, engineers are drawing the pictures, but unless or until you are not actually implementing, or you are not putting efforts, you are not putting bricks, you are not putting cements, you cannot build a flat. So that this is the first thing. So for you, basic knowledge of grammar is important, that you already have. Now point is that you have to understand that what is actually can help you to speak better English or make better sentences. The thing is that one thing I always feel that about English is that because English is very sweet language, English is very easy language, people are we have misconception of that English is difficult. No, English is not. One thing I want to tell you, because suppose today you are beginner, right, you are making broken English, but it is okay because you are listening the correct English. Whenever you are listening any English videos, you are watching conversation videos, you are watching any vlogs, they are the fluent speaker, right? So you are listening correct English, and this your subconscious mind is already retaining all those correct English sentence structure. But on the other side, in the initial stage, you are making broken English, you are speaking broken sentences. So here the fact is, you are listening correct English, but you are speaking broken English. So initial stage it will happen, slowly it will be removed. So one level will come when your both this level will be matched, right? So you'll be listening the correct English and you will be speaking the correct English also with better sentence structure. It's all about your subconscious mind, what you are listening and what you are trying to speak. Today you are speaking broken English, you are speaking that part that is wrong, but do not get disappointed with that. You will be speaking better. What is the most important? You learn new words, you learn different things while you are speaking listening English. You get enjoyment while listening English. That is most important. Then only you see that you frame better sentences and you read for your better sentence structure. When you read loudly, you understand the sentence structure. And I hope that this particular method or this particular some experience of mine will help you. So if I made a conclusion, first thing that you have to do, don't get disappointed. Second thing is that listen English, you will speak better English in future. And I am not saying that after 1 year later, no, 3-4 months later you will see the changes. Absolutely, it is possible. And I hope that this video message, everything is clear. Might be this video is getting long, but still I would say that if you have watched till the end, till now, then definitely you have understood all of these questions according to my experience. So that is it, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care.